In today's data-driven world, the role of a data analyst has become increasingly vital for businesses to make informed decisions. But with the rise of artificial intelligence, there's a growing concern: will AI replace data analyst jobs? While AI can automate certain tasks like data cleaning and imaginativeness, it can't replace the critical thinking and problem-solving skills of a human analyst. Indeed, AI can crunch numbers at lightning speed, but it lacks the human intuition needed to interpret complex data sets accurately. Instead of replacing jobs, AI will augment the role of data analysts, allowing them to focus on higher-level analysis and strategic decision-making. Data analysts who embrace AI and continually upskill themselves will thrive in this evolving landscape. So, while AI is revolutionizing the field of data analysis, human analysts remain indispensable, ensuring that insights are not just generated but understood and acted upon. Unlock the future of data science with Digicrome's Data Science with AI course. Master the latest tools and techniques to excel in the evolving world of analytics. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative content.